food and snack ideas for your Thanksgiving party. When it comes to any party, including a Thanksgiving party, food and snacks are important. That is why you may be trying to decide which food and snacks you should have at your next Thanksgiving party. As you will likely see, you have an unlimited number of different options. Before you can begin to examine popular food and snack ideas, it may be a good idea to examine the focus of your Thanksgiving party. This may make it easier for you to decide on a particular food or snack. In most cases, you will want to try and tailor your food to the type of party that you are having. For instance, if you're planning a kids-only Thanksgiving party, it may be a good idea to have a collection of finger foods or other age-appropriate snacks on hand. In addition to ensuring that your guests will enjoy your food, choosing the right type of food and snacks may make it easier for you to plan for and prepare for your Thanksgiving party. As previously mentioned, if you are having a kid-only Thanksgiving party, it may be a good idea to have kid-friendly snacks on hand. These snacks may include chips, pretzels, cheese and crackers, pudding, or a veggie tray, and so on. If you are planning on having an all-ages Thanksgiving party, a party where both adults and children will be present, it may be ideal to have a collection of common foods on hand, foods that will likely appeal to all ages. These snacks, as mentioned above, many include cookies, cheese and crackers, and vegetable snacks. If you have decided on a formal Thanksgiving party, you will likely want your party snacks to mirror the theme of your party. This means that you may want to purchase or make more elegant party snacks. These types of party snacks typically include vegetable trays and seafood. In addition to snacks, there is also a good chance that your formal Thanksgiving party will include a formal Thanksgiving dinner. If this is the case, you will need to purchase more than just snacks. You will need to purchase the main course, such as a turkey, as well as side dishes, which may include potatoes, cranberries, and a salad. It is also important to examine the drinks that you will have at your Thanksgiving party. You will need to decide right away whether or not you want to serve alcohol at your Thanksgiving party. If you are hosting a casual Thanksgiving party or a formal Thanksgiving party, where adults will be present, alcoholic beverage may be ideal. Despite the fact that many party guests expect to see alcohol at a party, you do not have to serve alcohol if you do not want to, the decision is yours to make. Although it is important to examine the types of foods, snacks, and drinks you would like to have at your Thanksgiving party, it may also be a good idea to examine when and where you will buy your items. In the weeks leading up to Thanksgiving, you will find that many retail stores, namely grocery stores, place popular Thanksgiving food and snacks on sale. Waiting until this time to purchase your party food, snacks, and drinks may make it so you have everything that you want, but at an affordable price.